Hi, I'm Gab from Philips and we're going to be looking at some of the special features and functions on the Premium all-in-one. We have this digital touch interface, so it's simple and easy to use. And of course, we've got time delay start facilities, so it will lapse time before cooking function begins if you want it to. We can extend the cooking time on any of those preset functions, so add time to your cooking requirements. If you have larger cuts of meat, you can certainly do that. Let me show you how. So we've got the preset timing function button there. All you need to do is press that, add on up to 24 hours, which means time will lapse before the cooking function begins. So choose your function, choose the preset time, and then press start. It's simple. If you want to add time onto any cooking function button, you'd hit the cooking function button and then of course press the cooking time. You can extend or minus that and press start, and it will start at that time you've just chosen. If you want to combine the two, you can have a preset timer and then you can also have that extended or taken away from cooking time from the function. So choose the function button, choose the preset time first, and then adjust your cooking time and press start. So time will lapse, cooking time will kick in, and you'll have a fabulous end result. Now, last but not least, child safety lock. There's the button there. It says child, it's got a little lock indicator. Hold your finger on the button for 3 seconds, the lock will come on. To remove that safety lock, finger back on that button and away we go. It's released itself. You can enjoy your food from the all-in-one Premium.
Innovation and you. Philips.